I've made this code with a lot of instructions, but basically what it does is it draws a lollipop. And I can repeat this over and over and over again. You may have learned that in Scratch, you can make your own blocks, right? Just like how this is a block, you can make your own, and it's called My Blocks. To do that, you give it a name, and then you create the definition, basically all the instructions to make it. And then if you want to run it again, all I have to do is pull out the one block, and now I could just click on this instead. And it'll do the same thing. This is a lot easier to read, and I could use it over and over again in my code. You could do the same thing in P5. So to make your own function, below the function draw, you would write the word function, just like you see here, and then you give it a name. Anything you want that makes sense. After that, you're going to do a parentheses, and then curly braces. This is the do something. So inside here, it's going to do whatever you tell it to. So I want to make that rectangle part of the stick. I'm going to put it at 95, 200, 10. I'm going to make it a really long stick. And then I'll put the circle in front of that. And I'll set it to 200, 250. Now that I've written the instructions for it, just like in Scratch, I wrote the instructions for it, then you actually have to use it, right? So I put it somewhere in my code, and then I click on it to use it. Same thing in p5.js. So in the function draw, now all I have to do is write this name here, lollipop, with the parentheses. And then when I run, I have a lollipop.